How to change frame rates in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and start a new project or open an existing one. To change the frame rate, you need to access the project settings. So, click on the gear icon located at the bottom right corner of the interface. Once the project settings window opens, select the Master Settings tab. Here you will find the timeline frame rate and playback frame rate options. The timeline frame rate is the frame rate at which your video timeline will be edited and rendered, while the playback frame rate controls how the video plays back within the software. Next, to change your frame rate, click the drop-down menu beside timeline frame rate and choose your desired frame rate such as 24, 30 or 60 frames per second. Make sure to set the playback frame rate to match the timeline frame rate for smoother editing and preview. Keep in mind that changing the frame rate after starting your project can cause some clips to behave unexpectedly or create issues with syncing audio and video. So it's always best to set your desired frame rate before importing any footage or beginning your edit. After selecting the frame rate, click Save to confirm the change. Your timeline will now operate at the new frame rate and you can continue editing or exporting your project accordingly. If you need to export your video at a different frame rate than your timeline, you can adjust the frame rate during the export process in the Deliver page under Export Settings. And that's it. Now you know how to change frame rates in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.